Hello my people, how you doing? So this kind of food I'm going to be eating, it has long happy. This kind of food, that is a okra and stew. This okra and stew. Oh my goodness, shit. This okra and stew has been long I've eaten this kind of food. So this evening I just prepared now, since I have stew at home. The okra already sliced it, I put it in the freezer. So I'm going to flex my food. Now let me wash my hand. And I'm going to top it with what's it called? This cold water. Show water. Just be out the fridge now. Man, that's what I want to really feel this. Look like this kind of food. It has belong. It has stayed. Maybe yeah. For that, this so called this food. This food. This name. Look my steam you. So that's it. That he had therefore I will find this one because this flour. If you don't know how to use draw soup or okra, taste it will disgrace you. But it's good for public. Yeah, I like food then. I don't like food then. Nobody don't like food. I'm going to finish this one. Wash me after. See me how I finish this. Wash me. Purity, what are you doing? So, see, I already eat to the half. I already have the food. It's not so there. Wow, very, very delicious. You know, that year, when we were small, when you are eating the food that you like, the food you love best, you know what that food to finish. Yes, maybe. So, you know what that food to finish. Maybe when you want to finish, we start cutting it little by little. When it's to finish. So that is how this food is doing now. Oh, you're eating the food that you love, to enjoy the food. Rub your head like this. Oh. Yeah. Your head. When the food is sweeting you. The fish note. Fish note. Alright. I'm tired. I'm forcing myself to finish this food. Oh my god, it's not good. I'll finish it. I already promised myself I'll finish this food, so I'll finish the food. No matter what. This guy, follow my page, subscribe to my YouTube. Okay, so I'm going to finish this food. Okay. But overfeeding is a disease. Overfeeding is a sin. Overfeeding is a disgrace. Hi guys, please follow my page if this is the first time coming across my page, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mommy and Key Reality Show. You're seeing it as my Facebook page. Thank you guys. See you in my next video.